The Detroit Lions kept their elite 2023 offensive line mostly intact in 2024, with the exception of guard Jonah Jackson, who moved from Detroit to the Los Angeles Rams. Jackson signed a hefty 3-year, $51 million contract from the Rams that seemed a bit too expensive at the time. Either way, the Lions changed their strategy and ended up signing guard Kevin Zeitler, who was coming off a Pro Bowl season. Zeitler's initial results have been impressive. He has allowed 2 sacks and 9 total pressures in 10 games, earning Pro Football Focus grades of 73.8 and 86.8 in pass protection and run blocking, respectively. He integrated seamlessly into the team. Jackson, on the other hand, was a disaster for the Rams. After playing the first 2 games of the season, Jackson was injured and forced to miss the next 6 games. He then returned to the starting lineup in Week 10 against the Miami Dolphins, where he struggled at center. In Week 11, Jackson was benched in place of 6th-round rookie Bo Remer. In the 200 snaps he's played this season, 135 pass blocks, Jackson hasn't allowed a single sack, but he's allowed 7 total pressures, 2 fewer than Zeitler allowed, despite playing less than half the pass blocks. PFF reports Jackson has a pass-blocking grade of 53.4 and a run-blocking grade of 51.5. It's fair to say the Rams spent too much on the Ohio State product. General Manager Brad Holmes deserves a lot of credit for not accepting the contract Jackson ended up getting. It was obviously a disaster for the Rams, and Detroit actually improved their team by letting Jackson go. And here's another example of why the Lions are doing so well right now. Holmes has made some masterful personnel decisions in recent years and is one of the best general managers in the game.